Okay, full site templates for your WordPress site. This is downloading and installing them. Requirements are the Elementor page builder, and I use the Astra theme because it's lightweight and it's made by the same developers that create Elementor. So here's my site. It's a test site and it's nothing special. It's just running the Astra theme. I'm going to go ahead and go to my site where I'm creating the templates. Step-by-step-wp.com. And I created the template section because I figured most people don't need a program. They just need a template to get started. So we're going to browse the templates, and they're laid out in sections, sort of themes, where you can download the entire page. There are different color schemes for each section. You can see those on the side. Here's the one we made in the small business demo. Comes with all of these pages. To view a page that you're going to download, you just click View, and you get to see the exact page that you'll be installing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and install this one here. I guess I'll view it real quick. Make sure everything's good. Then I'm going to download it, and to download it you just right click the link, save link as, and I am going to call it something else because I've already done this video, so I'll just put a 2 on the end. Okay, and you can save it in your downloads folder or wherever you send it. Now I'm going to go back to my website, go to templates underneath Elementor, import, choose the file, and now we're going to go to the file wherever you saved it. Open, import, and you should see it. Oh, it's the same template that I just did, so there's 2 of them in there. Now I'm going to create a new page, add new. So since I'm using the Astra theme, I can go ahead and select no sidebar and full width stretched, disable title, disable featured image. These things are Astra settings. You can do that in the appearance customizer so that all of your pages are like this, but if you don't have this, this will just change this page so it matches up with the one we downloaded. Publish that. Edit it with Elementor, and now we just go to the templates folder here, my templates, and it was this one. Either one, it's the same template since I just did this, and you'll see it looks just like it looks on the demo page. All of the fonts are already set, so you'd have to change those individually by clicking on the widget and changing it here. So I figured instead of doing a tutorial on changing the font in the customizer, I would just set the fonts and the colors for every single box. So it's a little bit of work if you need to change those, but not bad. Go ahead and update that. Now we will check it out. Exit to dashboard. Let's go to pages. Here it is here. View it. And you'll see you got a nice theme starting out for your business site. If you have any suggestions for, let me cue the music. If you have any suggestions for any more templates, any questions, any help installing them, leave a comment. Also, you can check out the templates often because I will be updating these weekly. All right, thanks.